Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Jolly Jaws as a baby. So first let's get started in the center of our page. And we're going to start on the left-hand side and we're going to draw a nice big curved line from left to right for the top of the nose. And we're going to end that at the same height. On the inside, on the right-hand side now, we're going to curve a small line that arches down and then in. And then lining this up at the same height over on the left, we'll replicate that. Now from here for the bottom of the cheeks and the eye, we're just going to curve this line around and then out. And then moving over on the left-hand side, lining it up at the same height, we'll replicate that. Now from here on the left-hand side, closing off the top of the head, we're going to arch this line around and then in towards the middle. And then leaving a gap in the center, we're going to start at the same height, curving that line around and then down. Now from here, let's draw in the eyes. So in the center, stepping over to the right, let's curve this line all the way up and then down on the side. And then flipping over to the left-hand side, leaving a small gap in the middle, we'll replicate that, curving this line up and then in. Now on the inside, we're going to draw an oval that connects from the bottom of the nose here. So we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we'll move over to the left-hand side, replicating that. So we're going to curve this up and then back down. Now on the top of the head, let's draw in the fin. So starting on that right side here, we're going to curve this line all the way up and over towards the left. From that point, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes in. And then we're going to draw in a sideways letter V, so we're going to bring this diagonal line in towards the middle. Starting at that point, bringing that back down, leaving a small gap. And now from here, we're just going to draw in another diagonal line, bringing that in towards the top of the head. Let's move underneath now and draw in the shape of the mouth. So coming over on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then flipping over on the right, starting back in that corner, we're going to curve this line around and then back in, blending that together. For the mouth, coming up on the right-hand side, beside the nose here, let's curve this line from top to bottom, arching that out. And then in the center, we're just going to curve this line around and then in. We're going to draw two teeth underneath here now, so we're going to draw two triangles by drawing the letter V. And then we'll leave a small gap and just replicate that. Let's come in underneath and frame in the body now. So leaving a gap in the center here, at the top of the diaper, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Let's close off the torso now. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve that line around and then down. And then to the right of this, we're going to curve this line around and then back down. On either side now, we're going to curve this line out towards the side. To the left of this, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then starting back on that right-hand side, we're going to arch this line back around, blending that in on the bottom. In the center for the boy, we're going to draw in a small circle in the middle. And now moving around that, we're going to draw an even bigger circle. So starting underneath the chin, we're going to curve this line around, creating a nice big circle. On the top, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out towards the right, leaving a gap, bringing that out towards the left. And then dropping down, we'll replicate that. So we're going to bring that out towards the left and then back out towards the right. On both sides now, let's curve this line around and then down. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. For the arms now, on both sides, for the bottom, we're going to curve this line around and then up, lining this up at the same height, and we'll replicate that over on the left. Now from here in the corner, we're going to curve this line around and then up, towards the chin. And then moving down, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Let's draw in our legs now. So moving down in the center towards the right, let's curve this line down, across, and then back up. Leaving a gap in the center, moving over to the left, we'll replicate that, curving that down, up on a diagonal, and then back in towards the side. Now for the bottom of the feet, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then lining that up at the same height, we're going to replicate that, curving that over towards the left. Lastly, let's just draw in our tail now. So moving down underneath our left arm, we're just going to curve a small line that arches out. And then dropping below this, we're going to replicate that, curving that over and out, ending that at the same height. On the bottom, let's curve a small line that arches out towards the left. And then moving in on the top, we're just going to curve this line up and then over. From this line, now we're going to bring our diagonal line in towards the bottom. And then we're going to draw in a sideways letter V. Now from here for the point, we're going to curve this line in slightly as we bring this down on a diagonal, connecting the tail together. That is it. That's how you draw baby Jolly Jaws. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all in the next one.